Electric truck winches are becoming increasingly popular among off-roaders, construction workers, and others who need reliable pulling power in challenging situations. When it comes to choosing the best electric truck winch, there are several factors to consider, such as weight capacity, durability, and ease of use. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best electric truck winches you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Looking for a winch that's powerful, reliable, and built to handle tough conditions? Look no further than the Superwinch SX10 at number 5. With a raw pulling power of 10,000 pounds, this winch can tackle even the most challenging situations with ease. But that's not all. The Superwinch SX10 is also designed for optimal control and convenience. The patented drum light and relocatable control box allow for safe and easy operation from a distance, and the included lighted remote makes winching in low-light situations a breeze. And when it comes to durability, the Superwinch SX10 is second to none. With an IP68 rating for dust and waterproof operation, this winch can handle whatever Mother Nature throws its way. Plus, the metallic graphite powder-coated finish ensures that it will stand up to even the toughest environments, from rocky terrain to muddy pits. So if you're looking for a winch that delivers power, control, and durability, the Superwinch SX10 is the way to go. And at just $526, it's a great value for such a high-quality piece of equipment. Are you ready to tackle some serious winching tasks? Look no further than the Stegodon electric winch, coming in hot at number 4 on our list. This powerhouse is fueled by a 6.6 horsepower output permanent magnet DC 12-volt motor, making it tough enough to handle just about any job you throw its way. But what really makes the Stegodon stand out from the pack is its 3-stage planetary system. This impressive structure is made with high-strength, cold extrusion materials, allowing it to withstand huge amounts of torsion without cracking or deforming. And with multiple planetary gear trains, the Stegodon achieves maximum speed and efficiency in a compact design. This winch is built to last, with a new solenoid and clutch system ensuring long-lasting performance for all your heavy-duty winching needs. So don't settle for anything less than the best. Get your hands on a Stegodon electric winch for just $359 and take on any winching challenge with confidence. Rev up your engines, off-road warriors, because at number 3 on our list of top winches is the ultimate powerhouse, the Smittybilt XRC Gen 2 winch series. This winch is not for the faint of heart. It's designed for those who demand the absolute best when it comes to performance and reliability. With a pulling power range of 9,500 to a jaw-dropping 17,500 pounds, the XRC Gen 2 can handle even the most extreme recovery situations. But it's not just brute strength that sets this winch apart. It's also loaded with heavy-duty features that will keep you conquering trails with ease. For starters, it boasts a waterproof IP67 rating, so you won't have to worry about water damage. And with its 6.6 horsepower series, wound motor, and 3-stage planetary gear train, you'll be able to power through even the toughest obstacles. Plus, the sliding ring gear clutch, automatic in-drum brake, and 94-foot-long, 5/16-inch diameter cable make it a winch you can trust to get the job done right every time. So if you're ready to take your off-roading game to the next level, the Smittybilt XRC Gen 2 winch series is the way to go. Get ready to unleash the beast and dominate the trail. The price is $354. Upgrade your off-roading experience with number 2, the Sinoking electric winch, featuring a powerful 12,000 pounds pulling capacity and an upgraded gear system that provides lightning-fast line speed to quickly recover your vehicle. Whether you're crossing rivers or navigating knee-deep mud, the IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in any condition. With a detachable control box, you can mount it in various locations for convenience, and the winch top mounting plate is also available in the Sinoking store. Additionally, The fully automatic and independent brake design provides maximum safety for you and your vehicle. The winch comes with a 3/8 inch and 85 feet synthetic rope made of ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, providing maximum braking strength. At a price of $329, the Sinoking electric winch is an excellent investment for any serious off-roader looking for reliable, high-quality equipment to tackle any terrain with confidence. Finally, at number 1, the X-Bull electric winch kit is the ultimate solution for all your heavy-duty winching needs. This top-of-the-line electric winch features a powerful 13,000 pounds winch with a 6.4 horsepower output permanent magnet DC 12-volt motor. The new solenoid successfully implements the principles of heat insulation, toughness, and high stability, avoiding the problem of capstan damage or motor burning caused by insufficient solenoid power. The connection between the clutch and the gear is strengthened by the new clutch system, making it more difficult to damage the clutch. The kit also includes a new generation of wireless remote control with an IP66 waterproof grade that can operate accurately from a distance regardless of terrain or weather. Safety is a top priority, and this electric winch has a power-in and power motor for positive load control. The powerful current can not only support the motor's operation smoothly and work within its rated current without any current impact, but also ensure the electric winch's safety and your safety at all times. Don't let yourself get stranded. Invest in the X-Bull electric winch kit today for only $399. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.